You won't be able to hear me now because there's a plane approaching. Wow, what a noise. I'm off. Off on my holidays. See you later. It's all right, isn't it? Let's have a look in. Oh yeah, it's all right this. North Caribou Air. Flight recorder, do not open. All sorts of gear in here. That's as far as we can go. Spin you around. Interesting stuff. I don't know, can't tell you anything about it because I don't know. That's a black box, but it's red. There's a cockpit in there. Can you see it? This is an Avro 146 RJX 100. It's pretty good, that. Oh, come out, new views. Down the stairs. Oh, let's go and watch a few planes, shall we? Plenty here to do. Fun fair for the kids. Dodgems.
Unless it's a very little object, I think there's another 8 you have to leave 3 minutes.
Hot air balloons, little rides. Park over there. There's the park. Don't want to film the kids, get shouted at, rightly so. I didn't think it'd be busy, it was blue skies when I set off. It's horrible now, it's going to rain. Not the best, is it? But it's alright, it is for free. Manchester Visitor Centre at the runway. Let's go down here and have a look at some planes. Cafe, they're expensive. Ice cream $2.80. Chocolate dip cone $3.80. Yeah, it's pretty dear. Got an aviation gift shop here. I bet that's not cheap either. No, definitely not. 120 quid for a model. That's well expensive in there. Concorde hangar. Let's go and have a look in that. Raindrops on the thing, hang on. That's better. Let's go have a look at the Concorde. Concorde hangar. Look at the size of that. That is massive. Oh, can you not go on it? And it's a guided tour. I'll walk you around it. I remember when these got decommissioned. I think it was like the 90s or something. Well, yeah, it was all the rage. You could fly to like New York in 4 hours or something like that. God, it's massive. Rolls-Royce engine. Let's get under the wings. That's me under the wings of a Concorde. Simulator here. Two people. No prices on it. Won't be cheap. Look at them engines. What I don't get though is they say they hold like 50,000 litres of fuel or something. Where? Where are they putting it? There's not 50,000 litres of fuel in that, is there? If you think 50,000 litres of liquid, that's massive. That's definitely not 50,000 litres in there. No way. I wonder if it ever flew, that one, or it's just a model. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. I don't know. British Airways Concorde. Huge. You all right? Yeah, good, thank you. Oh, they're letting people on. Wonder if if I had an high vis, I could have sneaked on. Get away with anything with a high vis. Oh, it's right under the nose now. Hell, it don't rain. I have bought a coat with me, but... And that is the Concorde. Right. The official opening date was the 5th of March, 1993. And you can buy one, 71 centimetres, 250 quid, right there. And stuff. I don't know. Aeroplane here, A380. I think I've been on one of them to Paris. Sure I have when I went to Disney World. Can't remember. Been on that many planes. Seats. Jet 2 holidays coming in. I fly with them. Beginning of October, I'm going to Turkey to get my teeth done. I'm getting turkey teeth. I hope you can hear me, it's quite loud. Definitely need Wellington boots here. Definitely. It's muddy as hell. But it has been raining. As you can see by the sky, the weather's crap. Another Jet 2 one going out. Or is it coming in? Well, it's coming in, that one, isn't it? It's slowing down.
They have
Well,
started, or about to start.
it's noisy. It's hard to talk. Oh.
On its way to Frankfurt is a Lufthansa A319, 15 years old.
15 years old.
943.
Lithuanian Airways. I don't even know if you can hear me over them. I thought it'd be a good idea for a vlog this, but it's noisy. You can feel that power hit your chest when they take off. You really can. So I'm just going to sit here and watch the planes. I'll film a few for you. It's too muddy to keep walking about. I washed my trainers, dried and ready for today. And they're absolutely filthy already. There's mud all over them, which I'm not happy about. I hope you can hear me over this plane. It's landing. The guy will start talking in a minute as well, probably. So yeah, Manchester Visitor Centre. It opens at 8 o'clock in the morning. Told you. And it closes at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So you can spend the day here. It's a bit pricey for food and drink, but to come here is free. So you can't really moan at that, can you? So right, I'll film some planes for you. So there's a big British Airways plane coming now down the runway. You can probably hear it. Oh, I feel that power. What a noise. What a noise. No, it's not that big.
The aircraft use British Airways, use Concorde Steamers.
I thought it was bigger than that, to be honest with you. The old Ryanair coming in there. When it costs you more to put your bag on the plane than it does to put your ass on it. So they've got to make money somehow, haven't they? I remember when they used to charge you £1 to go to the toilet. I don't know if they still do that. I remember coming back from the Ret de Mar and I was a bit rough, and I think it cost me about 30 quid in going to the toilet. Plane taking off here by the looks of it. Wow. It's cool here. It is really cool. Been nice on a summer's day. So you can watch the planes. They've got a park here for the kids. Fun fair. You can do the Concorde tour. Got that flight simulator. They've got that little plane you can look around. So the parking's dear. I've come on the bus. You can travel all day in Manchester for a fiver. To park here, it's not cheap. I came a couple of years ago and it was about a tenner then. So what it costs now, God knows. So yeah, there's a top tip for you. Come park on the street somewhere. Just get the bus. It's a lot easier, isn't it? Save yourself some money. There's a top tip for you. Sun Express Airways. I love the noise, me. I love that engine noise. Look at that. Ah. Only small. Hey, we got a double there. A landing and a takeoff. That's all right, wasn't it? So Manchester Airport has had a public viewing area since 1938 and an official viewing park was set up in 1992. The current runway visitor park name was adopted in 2010. It's considered one of the best official plane spotting locations at any major UK airport and attracts around 300,000 visitors a year. It's got a raised viewing area that lets you stand a few metres away from the aircraft as they taxi, take off and land. You'll see hundreds of movements each day. Everything from short-haul jets to long-haul heavies like 787s and sometimes even the A380 when it's scheduled. There's some facts for you there, a couple of facts. Don't just bring you the videos, I'll bring you the facts. Another one coming in. Ryanair, that one I think, by the looks of it. Just all seems to be the same sort of planes today. Nothing special. No, there is not.
The Ryanair 737 MAX 8200 is vacating the runway. Inbound from Krakow.
From Krakow.
This particular aircraft belongs to the...
Is that Poland? It's Poland, isn't it, that?
Ryanair, known as Buzz. Most of the aircraft in the standard Ryanair scheme, but there are some of them painted in a very attractive black and yellow scheme with a smiley bee on the tail.
Black and yellow with a smiley beak, the guy's saying. They're painted in some of the Ryanair planes. God, it's cold. I've had to put my coat on. I'm freezing. Just said this one that's going is going back to Saudi Arabia. Is it that one? Is it this one? Yep, the Etihad one. It's going back to Saudi Arabia, that. And I don't blame you. Get out of this crap cold weather. Well, that's me. It's going to start raining. I want to get home before the rain kicks in. Yeah, it's a good day out here. You need to go and visit it. It's really good. If you're in the Manchester area, definitely worth a visit.
These painted by the previous Hawaii are
That plane there that I went on before behind me. So guys, if you have liked this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe. They're the two main things. So yeah, as I was saying, I couldn't talk to you because that guy was on the tannoy thing. It's a good day out, it's free if you're in the Manchester area. Give it a try. It's alright. As I say, come by bus, it's cheaper. Just park up somewhere. So if you've liked this video, hit that like, as I was saying, hit that subscribe, it really helps. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, I shall put the link on the bottom of the screen. The rain's coming down now, I've been rained off like every bloody video I make lately. I get rained off. I was going to get here earlier, but I went for my haircut and tidied the house, had something to eat, and the time I got out, the best one was, so I gets on the bus to Manchester Airport. No problem, gets off at the airport, looks on Google Maps, I've got to get the 313 to here. So gets on the 313, like it said to do. I got on it, the wrong one. I realised when I was nearly at Stockport that I was going the wrong way, so I had to get off it, cross the road and come back. So I lost a few hours there. It's dodgy around here, there's no pavements. It's a bit crap, isn't it? So yeah, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. You want to buy me a coffee? Get the link down below. Get the QR code, 50 pence, 10 pence, anything you want. I appreciate it all. Put your name in the reference. I'll give you a little shout out for doing it, because I do appreciate it. So until next time, guys, I shall see you very soon. Take care.
Johnny 360 travels in your adventure every day. Come and see the world with me in a whole new way. If you like what you see, hit like, subscribe today.